Do you feel like you're stuck in survival mode, always on edge and a little tense? That's not just mental. This is actually something that lives in your body as well. Understand, unprocessed emotion from our past gets trapped in our system and it oscillates in there, a lot of times physically manifesting if we don't release it. In our hips and pelvis, we hold a lot of fear and control patterns. So with this video, I'm going to share with you a very gentle wall-supported technique that's going to help you reset your nervous system as well as get this deep-rooted stress out of your body for good. All you're going to need are 2 blankets and a space on the wall. We'll start with 3 falling out breaths. Inhaling deeply and exhaling with an audible sigh. Again, deep belly inhale, exhaling with an audible sigh, letting it all go. One last time, inhaling deeply and then letting it all out. Now just place your hand on your heart and fill your heart with gratitude for the path that's brought you to this moment and for taking the time to be here and to release what's no longer serving you. Opening the eyes, we're going to transition to the legs up the wall. Just come next to the wall. Start to lean back, and as you do, kick your feet up the wall. Make sure your props are near you. Now, just do a falling out breath. This technique shows us that healing happens not through force, but through awareness and gentle movement. In this practice, you'll notice tension, allow it, and then experience how being with it is what finally releases it. We'll transition into butterfly pose. Just bring the soles of the feet together and drop your knees out by the sides, the heels coming down towards the perineum. And just notice the sensations that you feel here. Noticing their location, their texture. Noticing all the details of what's here to feel. Keeping the breath full but natural. No strain or struggle. Belly rising on the inhale and falling on the exhale. Notice how sensation might change. It may lessen or it may increase. It could change location. Just observe, letting it all be just as it is. Giving it your full permission to be as it is. Now gently bring the knees back together, the legs back straight up the wall. Noticing the change in sensation. Take a deep breath in and let go with an audible sigh. Deep sighing breaths help facilitate the flow of energy. We're going to prepare now for leg to side. You'll need your blanket, and you may want to fold it so it can easily come next to the hip to support the weight of the leg. Just drop your left leg down into the butterfly pose and allow the right leg to start to come out to the side, adjusting the location of the blanket to support as you find your edge. Remembering the edge is about 70% of how open your leg can go. We're not pushing. We have nothing to prove. We just want to start to feel the first bit of sensation. The body talks to us through sensation. We want to rest with it. Give it permission to be felt. Just do a falling out breath. Allowing your attention to go to the place of most constriction, stretching, or tightness on this side of the body. And breathe into that area. Don't breathe to get rid of it. Use the breath to just be with what's here. Just noticing the sensations and what you're aware of in the body. Is there tingling, a tightness? Does it feel like a cord, or perhaps there's heat? This is trapped energy, an emotional event from the past that didn't process through. Notice the details and subtleties without trying to change any aspect of the experience. Unprocessed trauma lives in the body, often in the hips and nervous system. Your body holds what the mind can't. And this practice helps you access that stored energy without needing to relive the story or to know where it's coming from. All you need to do is allow it to be. Continuing to say yes to sensation as it shows up. Each exhale, protective holdings melting away. It is safe to feel. You are safe. If the mind jumps in, just come back to the breath. Back to an openness to what you're feeling. Doing a falling out breath. And again, breathing in through the nose, belly rising, full breath in. And then a deep sigh as you exhale audibly. The breath lets the body know that it's safe. If sensation moves, just follow it, trusting the process. Energy has an intelligence of its own. It knows exactly what it needs to do. All you need to do is allow it to be. Now gently come out of this pose, supporting the leg, coming back up, legs up the wall. Doing a falling out breath. Feeling the release of energy, comparing the right and left leg. Go ahead and switch your blanket now to the other side. As we prepare for the other side, this time bending the right leg into the butterfly pose. The left leg straight and coming out to the side. Moving the blanket, propping it so that the weight of the leg feels held and supported. And then just do a falling out breath. Allowing your awareness to be drawn to the area of most constriction or density and breathing into it. Not trying to get rid of it, but inviting it with breath and attention to widen and soften. Staying with sensation and using the breath to help you. Releasing it all out. Letting it go if it wants to go. Letting it stay if it wants to stay. Releasing any holding in your body that doesn't need to be there. If your edge moves or shifts, just adjust the body, going deeper if needed, coming out if the intensity is too much. Continue to use the breath to make space for the experience. Just breathe to hang out with what's here. As if to say, I'm willing to feel you. When you stay at your edge and feel the sensation and breathe, your body completes what it couldn't before. This unprocessed emotion and energy can be released. If you feel yourself moving into avoidance, just breathe and come back to an openness to what you're feeling. Releasing any tendency to control, resist, or even encourage. Just notice what you're aware of now. Body speaks through sensation. Just learn to listen to the language of the body. Stay present, curious and connected to what's here. If your edge moves, and you need to come out slightly, or if the sensation leaves and you need to go deeper, just adjust. Continue to follow sensation. It means it's beginning to release. It just simply needs to be acknowledged. All you have to do is allow it to be. Now just bring your legs back up the wall, moving slowly and mindfully, doing a falling out breath. Feeling the release of energy. Totally absorbed by sensation. Now begin to transition off the wall, rolling to the side, and just finding your blankets, using one as a pillow, the other to cover yourself. And allow yourself now to just lay back. And as I name each body part, experience it directly, without interpretation or analysis. All 10 toes, both ankles, both knees, pelvis, belly, chest, both arms, throat, face, back of the head, shoulder blades, back, buttocks, calves, soles of the feet. Sense the whole body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. And now go to that still, silent space beneath the mind. Below even the movement of energy. Allow your energy body to create a profound healing shift now. And just see, feel, or sense yourself freed from limiting tendencies, self-defeating patterns or habits. And slowly come back to awareness of the physical body, becoming aware of the rising and falling of the breath. Wiggling the fingers and toes, bringing the knees into the chest, and then rolling on to your right side. Feeling the safety, comfort, and protection of the womb of existence. And allow yourself now to gently come to a seated position, keeping the eyes closed. Bringing your hand to your heart. And if there is any knowing or insight to be received, let it be received now. Now you may gradually open your eyes. Victory to the spirit.